Hello, kids. Let's learn about 20 bird names. This is a swan. The swan is a big white bird with a long neck. It swims gracefully on lakes and looks very elegant. This is a pelican. The pelican is a large bird with a big beak and a pouch. It uses the pouch to catch fish. This is a penguin. The penguin is a black and white bird. It cannot fly, but waddles and swims very well in the cold sea. This is a seagull. The seagull is a white bird with gray wings. It loves the beach and makes loud squawk sounds. This is a woodpecker. The woodpecker is a bird that taps on trees with its beak to find bugs. This is a hummingbird. The hummingbird is a tiny bird that can flap its wings very fast. It drinks nectar from flowers. This is a falcon. The falcon is a fast bird of prey. It dives quickly to catch its food. This is a magpie. The magpie is a black and white bird that loves shiny objects and makes loud calls. This is a blue jay. The blue jay is a bright blue bird with a loud voice. It is very clever. This is a cardinal. The cardinal is a red bird with a crest on its head. It sings sweet songs. This is a goldfinch. The goldfinch is a small yellow bird. It loves to eat seeds. This is a puffin. The puffin is a seabird with a colorful beak. It looks a bit like a penguin and lives on cliffs. This is a heron. The heron is a tall bird with long legs and a sharp beak. It waits by the water to catch fish. This is a crane. The crane is a tall bird that dances gracefully. People see it as a symbol of good luck. This is an albatross. The albatross is a huge seabird with very long wings. It can fly for many days over the ocean. This is a cockatoo. The cockatoo is a white parrot with a yellow crest on its head. It can be very noisy. This is a macaw. The macaw is a big parrot with bright red, blue, and yellow feathers. This is a minna bird. The minna bird can copy human voices and make funny sounds. This is a toucan. The toucan is a bird with a huge colorful beak. It lives in the rainforest. This is an ostrich. The ostrich is the biggest bird in the world. It cannot fly, but runs very fast. Good job! You have learned about 20 bird names. Congratulations!